All right, welcome. Today, we're gonna deal with a little bit of volume, and we're gonna deal with metric, going to imperial, and then back to metric. So first we need a starting point. What are we dealing with when we're dealing with metric? Well, we're dealing with cubic meters. And what are we dealing with when we're dealing with imperial? We're talking about cubic feet. Now, what we need is some type of number. Basically, if you can see, the cubic meter is much bigger than the cubic feet. So the idea is how many cubic feet fit into 1 cubic meter. So how many of these guys can go over there? And as it turns out, 1 cubic meter is equal to 35.31 cubic feet. So what we're saying is 35.31 of those guys go into this guy, all right? So let's do a couple calculations. This isn't the toughest thing we're gonna learn here. We'll do a couple calculations here and make sure we're all over this. All right, so once again, we write our number up here. 1 cubic meter is 35.31 cubic feet. And what we're gonna say is, okay, we got 5 cubic meters. How many cubic feet is that? So what we do is we say, well, 5 cubic meters, each one is 35.31 times cubic feet, okay? And lo and behold, we get 176.55 cubic feet, okay? So 176.55 cubic feet is 5 cubic meters. Same with the next one, going from cubic meters to cubic feet. And it makes sense, right? In this, if we do this, 7.29, if we have 35.31 of them, of cubic feet in every cubic meter, we're gonna end up with more cubic feet. So we go 7.29 times 35.31, and we get 257.74. And that makes sense. Okay, there's more cubic feet because they're smaller. Now, if we're gonna do the reverse, we have 200 cubic feet and we're gonna go to cubic meters, we're gonna do some dividing. So we take the number of cubic feet we have and divide it by the number of cubic feet in a cubic meter. And what we end up here with is 5.66, a smaller number, which also makes sense, okay? Same thing with the last one, 456 cubic feet. How many cubic meters? Well, we're gonna divide it once again by the 35.31. And that gets us 12.91 cubic meters. All right, that's just a quick volume conversion. And in a couple videos, we're gonna take this into what we call calorific values and work with that volumes. But first, we're gonna get into a little bit of heat calculation, and that's gonna be the next video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care, have a great day, and hope to see you back.